There's your egg roll. And that's what it looks like. Let me explain your egg roll wrapper. Your egg roll wrapper should not be a square in front of you. It should be a diamond in front of you. And then you place it in the middle. And I just spread it around with my same measuring cup. And the corner that's closest to me will go away from me. Then you pull this corner in. And you pull this corner in. That's what it looks like. And then I pull these in. Exactly. And that's what you end up with. I didn't use any water for this corner, but we can, and it's just a little tiny bit. And that helps it stick. And that's what it looks like. Diamond in front of me. Place it in the center. Kind of spread it around so that it's not like sticking out. Okay, corner closest to me goes towards the other corner. This one you fold in. This one you fold like that. Remember, these corners I bring in. And then I just wrap around. Now just a little bit, tiny bit of water on the corner. And there you go. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like it and to subscribe to my channel. And if you make the egg rolls, let me know what you think.